Our group is presenting on measurement and data learning progression. This progression will go from kindergarten through 5th grade. We will start off with the first standard, which is K.MD.A.1. Describe measurable attributes of objects, such as length or weight. Describe several measurable attributes of a single object. We know that standard units are what we usually use to measure the weight, length, or capacity of objects. Those might include inches, feet, gallons, etc. Non-standard units are used by children of younger ages to introduce them to the concepts of measuring without having to use a ruler or any other type of real scales. The idea of using non-standard measures is to have the child focus on words such as heavy, heavier, light, lighter, long, longer, short, shorter, etc. before moving on to the next step of measuring using standard units. A way to incorporate this in the kindergarten classroom could be through discussion, as well as finding non-standard ways of measuring. One way of doing this could be using Unifix cubes. You can measure the length of a book using the Unifix cubes. You would ask the children, how many cubes long is this book? You would then count the number of cubes to determine this book is 10 Unifix cubes long. You can also use other types of non-standard measurement tools such as links, child's hands, pencils, etc.